what is meant by balanced diet, right? Balanced diet is nothing but consisting of proper quantities and also proportion of food needed to be very healthy and growth is called balanced diet. And next, we could save our money and time by just eating healthy balanced diet food with enough protein needed to be. Next, nutrition. I think you all know about nutrition. First, I can give the best term what is meant by nutrition. Nutrition is nothing but a process of producing or observing the food necessary for healthy and growth is called nutrition. We are having many food items which are healthy, which are unhealthy. Mostly all of the prefer for unhealthy food. But we should eat only healthy food which are very healthy to us. We are having many food items, but I have taken 2 food items which are very healthy, very good to us, and also very simple and sweet to us. Yeah, that is coconut laddu. About coconut laddu, first we need to prepare coconut laddu. For preparing coconut laddu, ingredients of coconut laddu are coconuts, jaggery, and also ghee. Preparation of coconut laddu. For preparation of coconut laddu, take 2 coconuts and put on the stove. Now keep a frying pan on that. Add a tablespoon of ghee. After heating that ghee, add these coconuts and also add these coconuts. Let it be fried for 15 minutes. After frying, add the jaggery. Within 1 minute, the jaggery will melt. After melting, now boil for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, put off the stove, add the cardamom powder which will be very tasty to us. Now our coconut laddu is ready. Keep it aside, that mixture. Now we can make laddus after it cools. Let's go into importance of coconut laddu. Importance of coconut laddu. This coconut laddu is dessert loved by everyone, right? Yes, even I love to this. And this coconut laddu is made from coconut and jaggery. This coconut consists of helps us in free digestion, weight loss, and also fight against diseases. Next, this jaggery helps in instant energy, giving instant energy and rich in iron. Coconut also contains a good amount of fat which will be harmful to us. So I am suggesting to prepare it in a consumed and also moderate amount. Next we go to ragi dosa. To prepare ragi dosa, we need ingredients. Ingredients of ragi dosa: ragi flour, water, and a pinch of salt. So preparation of ragi dosa. I think you all know what is meant by ragi dosa. I'll give the recipe of ragi dosa. Ragi dosa, preparation of ragi dosa is: ragi dosa is made from ragi flour, water, and also pinch of salt. Ragi is having a good source of calcium, fiber, and iron too. So this calcium is in ragi dosa we are having calcium. This calcium helps us in strengthening the bones, and iron will help in increasing the hemoglobin levels, and also this fiber which helps in free digestion and also decreases the blood glucose levels which will be beneficial for sugar patients. Next, this is the age group of weight. So in this we are having energy, carbohydrate, protein and fats. Everyone should be have this amount of this weight. Adults should have, men 65, women 55, and children from 1 to 3 years they should have 2.9 age, 2.9 weight, 4 to 6 18.3, and 7 to 9 25.3. This is the energy timetable and this is carbohydrate, protein, fat. Yes, I'm done with my topic. Thank you. Thank you. from India Mission High School.
Now we are explaining about how to protect yourself from COVID-19. How to protect ourselves and precautions in the case of COVID-19. Wear mask properly and wash your hands frequently and eat vitamins and minerals food and sleep well, avoid alcohol and cigarettes. Now I am explaining about COVID-19 diet. In early morning we should have to take 1 glass of milk and 5 almonds. In breakfast, idli with sambar and dosa with chutney or vada, etc. In mid-morning, khadak and khichdi and guava apples. We should take mixed fruits. And mid-afternoon, little soup or any from fruits or from vegetables. And in lunch, we can take brown rice, varugu rice and brown hand pound rice with leafy vegetables and vegetables. In mid-evening, we can take mixed fruits and turmeric tea. In tea time, we can take milk 1 glass and boil moong dal spots. In early dinner, we can take one superfood pumpkin soup. It is having all minerals and it's having a fibers also. In dinner, we can take a brown rice and hand pound rice and also khadak or dalia khichdi or etc. Now I am explaining about COVID-19 immune system boosters. In zinc, we can take milk, white grains and beans, seeds and something. It is impact of good helper with vitamins or etc. In vitamin C, broccoli and kali, oranges and seafood are explained. And in iron, spinach, tofu and white beans are acid in non-specific insides. It is preferred to the body's first in lines of defense. And vitamin E, nuts, seeds, pulses and grains are very important in vitamin E. If we eat grains, pulses and richly vitamin food, we can get vitamin E. In vitamin A, we can eat sweet potato, boiled one, and carrots, and red bell pepper, and etc. It is very preferred to help protect cells from our oxidative issues. And in vitamin B6, greeny vegetables, and chickpeas as cold water and fish, we can eat this to prevent our vitamin B6. It supports from more effective reactions between different parts of our health issues.
Good food for preventing COVID. Good food for preventing nutrients, vitamins and proteins. Benefits of spinach: diabetes for prevention, cancer prevention, asthma prevention, lowering blood pressure, bone health. It promotes digestive and healthy skin and hair. It loaded with tons of nutrients within a low of calorie. Next is milk. Milk is an excellent source of protein. Milk is an excellent source of protein. Drinking milk is may prevent osteoporosis. Drinking milk is may prevent maintain a healthy weight. Milk builds healthy bones and teeth. The next one is boiled egg. Strong muscles, brain health, energy production, a healthy immunity system, lower risk of heart disease, healthy eye growth and hair growth, weight loss and maintenance. Next one is oranges. Oranges is high in nutrients, is included with vitamin C, folate and potassium. High in antioxidants. May help prevent kidney stones, may improve heart health and may decrease inflammation. Oranges is a good source
of antioxidants. And next is benefits of fruits. Fruits is an excellent source of essential vitamins and minerals. Fruits are high in fiber. Fruits also provide a wide range of health boosting. Fruits is high in nutrients and low calories. Next one is benefits of dry fruits. Dry fruits are rich in vitamins, minerals and proteins and fiber. Dry fruits are excellent and healthy substitutes for daily snacks. Dry fruits are just like berries and nuts and high on antioxidants.
Hello everyone, my name is Nikita. I am studying from 9th class from India Mission High School.
Hello everyone, I am M. Bhagyashree from 9th standard studying in India Mission High School. Today we are here to present a topic about fruits and vegetables. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables, low blood pressure, reduce the risk of heart diseases and stroke, and prevent some types of cancer. Eating non-starchy vegetables and fruits like apples, pears and green leafy vegetables may even promote to weight loss.
At last, 9 different families of fruits and vegetables exist, each with potentially hundreds of different plants, compounds that are benefit to variety food and different colors and foods of producing order to give your body their mice of nutrients of all needs. That is not only occurs a greater diversity of beneficial plant. Chemicals create eye-appealing meals.
I am here to present now some 5 types of fruits. Apple, orange, guava, pomegranate and banana. Apples are high in fibers and vitamin C. If we eat apple, we have many advantages to our health. Like apple is having 52 calories, 85% of water and 2.4 grams of fiber and 0.2 grams of protein. And the next fruit is banana. Bananas are good source of vitamins and minerals. Bananas are especially having potassium, vitamin C and vitamin B6. Bananas having more calories, proteins and fibers. Nutrient facts for medium-sized banana is 89 calories, 1.1 grams of proteins and 2.6 grams of fibers. And the next fruit is orange. Oranges are healthy to our health. Oranges having fibers and vitamins. Oranges have many calories, proteins and fibers. 47 calories are having in oranges and 2.4 grams of fiber and protein 0.9 grams of protein. And the next fruit is pomegranate. If we eat pomegranate, we have many advantages to health. It gives blood to us. And pomegranate has 64 calories, 1 gram of protein and 3 grams of fiber. And the next fruit is guava. At least we have to eat 1 guava per day. It is very good to our health. And guava has 37 calories and it has 8 grams of carbohydrates and 3 grams of fiber and 1 gram of protein.
Now I am presenting about vegetables. First vegetable is tomato. Tomatoes are major dietary source. Tomatoes are major dietary source and antioxidant lycopene. Tomatoes are healthy disease and it's cancer. In that it will be vitamin C and vitamin K. The tomatoes are in different shapes and different sizes. And in that calories are 18, protein are 9 grams, fat is 0.2 grams and fiber is 1.2 grams. Sugar is 2.6 grams. And next one is potato. Raw potatoes are mostly like to cause health issue. In that it will be vitamin C. It is commonly associated or unhealthy fried and processed food. In that it it is variety food of dish around the world. In this calories are 77%, fat is 0.2 grams, 0.2 grams, fats are 20.1 grams, and sugar is 0.9 grams, and fiber is 1.8 grams. And next vegetable is lady's finger. Lady's finger is sometimes referred to okra. Okra called it is in two colors, one red color and green color. When we cook this, it will be before we cook it will be red, and it is when we cook this green color, it will change in green color. And next it containing calories 30, protein is 1.9 grams, fat is 4 grams, crabs are 54 grams, cholesterol is 150 grams. Next vegetable is bitter gourd. Bitter gourd is a green skinned vegetable. It will be so bitter, and that is very taste of and fits. It names is calories are 34, proteins is 3.6 grams, sodium is 392 grams, fiber is 25 grams. And next vegetable is carrot. Carrots are good. There is very number of benefits. It is linked to lower cholesterol and improved eye health. And carrot water contains 77%. Calories are 10%. Around 10 grams. The carrots 100 grams calories 41. Water is 88. Proteins are 9 grams. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Aishwarya. I am from the 8th class from India Mission High School. Today we are explaining about pulses.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Shaisha from India Mission High School. I am saying today about pulses.
A legume is a plant in the family of the potato. Is called seeds. Seeds are when you use a grinder. Grinders are the seeds are called pulses. Example: beans, soya beans, peas, chicken peas, peanuts, etc.
Pulses are a types of legumes. Pulses are a types of legumes crop, but pulses are examples of pulses: beans, soya beans, pears, long pears, golden gram, green gram, etc. Pulses are soya beans. We should be take the pulses daily. Why? Because we will get the proteins and fat.
Pulses are more rich in fat. Good afternoon everyone. Myself Chitra from 8th class from India Mission High School. Myself Spandana. Myself Harshita. We are from India Mission High School from 8th class, and today we are participating in the program nutrition, and we are taking the topic nutrition in leaf vegetables. What are leaf vegetables? Leaf vegetables are plant leaves eaten as a vegetable, sometimes accompanied by tender, petal and shoots. There are so many examples in leaf vegetables, and some are here. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy greeny. Spinach is a leafy green flowering plant in native to Central and Western Asia. Fenugreek is an annual plant which leaves consistent of 3 small ovate to oblong and leaflets. Coriander. Coriander is a great source of vitamin A which helps feed your returns, keeps your eyes moist and generally help to protect your vision. Coriander is also full of vitamin C which is important to your immune system. Coriander is also good source of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K and iron. Curries are the leaves which we can use in curries, and then sometimes for Euro plant we can say it as curry plant.
Nandru. I am studying in India Mission High School. The topic is healthy food. Hello everyone, this is V. Bhavya Sri from 9th class studying in India Mission High School. My topic about pulses and grains.
Hello everyone, this is Yamini from India Mission High School studying in 9th class. My topic is sprouts.
Hello everyone, my name is Satvika. I am studying in India Mission High School.
Pulses, also known as grain legumes, are a group of 12 crops. There are red gram, urad dal, bengal gram, sabja seeds, foxtail millet, chickpea, mixed dal, puffed rice, pearl millet, sabja seeds in water, sesame, green mung dal.
Now I'm going to say about sprouts. This is green gram and this is moong dal. Sprouts are rich in many important nutrients. While a specific ratio of nutrients vary depending on the type of sprout. They generally contain high levels of fluoride, magnesium, phosphorus, and vitamin K. Benefits of sprouts. Sprouting increases vitamins and minerals content. Level of vitamin C increase.
I am saying about leafy vegetables. They are mint, ferritic, coriander, curry leaves, taro leaves.
Good afternoon everyone. Myself Anu. I am studying in 8th class from India Mission High School.
My name is Vaishnavi. I am studying 8th class. My name is Kalini.
Today my topic is vegetables and balanced diet. What are vegetables? Vegetables are parts of plants that are consumed by humans or other animals as food. Eating vegetables every day is important for health. They provide us essential vitamins, proteins, carbohydrates, fats, and other nutrients such as fiber and antioxidants. Consistency says that people who eat 5 servings of vegetables per day, they have lower risk of many diseases including heart diseases and cancer.
Carrot is a form in many colors, including white, orange, red, purple, and yellow. Beetroot is a root vegetable, also known as red beet, table beet, garden.
What is balanced diet? Balanced diet is very important for our health. Balanced diet is very important for our health. They provide us essential vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. The food we take should contain carbohydrates, fats, proteins,
vitamins, minerals and water with the proper amounts. And also should contain food rich in fiber. And also should contain food rich in fiber. A balanced diet helps us to grow well and stay healthy. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Pujita. My name is Shivani.
My name is Azwa.
My name is Nagini.
We are from 8th standard from Yamisham High School.
Our topic is fruits. In the main sources of fruits is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates and calories in fruits are so much important. Fruits are very important in our daily life. We should eat fruits in our daily life. There are many examples for fruit. There are here.
Apple. Apple is a vitamin C and A and E. It is also helps us potassium and calcium.
Good afternoon everyone. Myself Abdul. I am in 8th standard. I am from India Mission High School English Medium.
Myself, my name is Yaqub Pasha.
Myself, my name is Yavin. I am studying in 8th class. My school is India Mission High School English Medium.
What our topic is junk food. What is junk food? Prepared in advance in packaged that is called as low nutrition junk.
Disadvantages of junk food: unhealthy ingredients, plenty and saturated fats, low quality in food, may change our social life. It can lead to serious health issues, low in precious vitamins and minerals.
Examples of junk food: noodles, pasta, ice cream, noodles they do not digest quick enough and
They do not digest quick enough, even lead to cancer. Ice cream. Your heart disease risk pumps up. Food and overeating.
Fast food and overeating. It's shown in fiber, overeat and number of calories in high volume, high in fat, calcium,
It's high in
liquids.
sugar in liquid form. What is junk food? Eating by regular basic junk food, it increases risk of obesity and chronic disease like cardiovascular disease. Thank you.
Vaishnav from 9th standard from India Mission High School.
I am from Pooja from 9th standard.
Now I am saying about junk food. Junk food is a described of food and low in nutrients, example vitamins, minerals and fiber, and high in kilojoules.